So the next view in the vendor master general data, payment transactions. Under the payment transactions, the first field bank details ID, key identifying a business partner's bank details. Enter a bank details ID for each separate set of bank details for a business partner. Then bank country and region. Specify the country region where the bank is based. Usage. The country region key determines according to which rules the remaining bank data, for example bank number, bank account number, is checked. So the next field is bank key. The bank key is specified in this field under which the bank data is stored in the appropriate country. The country specific meaning of this bank key is specified when defining country key. Usage. Normally banks have a bank number which then also appears in the control data of the bank. In certain countries, the bank account number assumes this function. In such as a case, there would be no bank numbers. The bank details are then under the account number. For data medium exchange, it can be useful to be able to create banks for foreign business partner without a bank number, even if the country in question has bank numbers. In such case, the bank key can be assigned internally. If the bank data is under another key, such as the SWIFT SWIFT code, for example, the number can also be assigned externally. So the next one, bank account number. This field contains the number under which account is managed at the bank. So the next one, bank control key. Use Brazil, France, Spain, Portugal and Italy. So this field contains a check key for the combination bank number and bank account number. So usage for USA. In USA, this field is used to differentiate between a savings and a current account. If no values is entered, the default value 01 is used. So 01 current account, 02 savings account, 03 loan account, 04 general ledger. So usage in Japan. In Japan, this field specifies the type of account. This information is copied from the payment medium print program into payment medium. The following is an example of the account types used. 01 similar to a savings account, 02 similar to a current account, 03 similar to an investment account, 09 other types of bank accounts. Usage in South Africa. In South Africa, this field specifies the types of account. The information entered here is forwarded to the bank that carries out the payment order. The following account types are permitted in ABC format. 01 current or check account, 02 savings account, 03 transmission account, 04 bond account, 06 subscription share account. Usage in Argentina. In Argentina, this field specifies the type of account. CC current account, CA savings account, CE special savings account, CS salary account. Usage in Venezuela. In Venezuela, this field specifies the type of account. CC checking account, CA savings account, CE special saving account, CS salary account. Usage in Mexico. In Mexico, this field contains a 2-digit key for classifying the bank account. This key has different definitions depending on the bank. For example, a savings or current account. Note, for countries that are not listed here, this field can be used for account specific information. So the next field, IBAN, IBAN, International Bank Account Number, a uniform standardized ID number for representing bank details, that is an accounting with the ECBS, European Committee for Banking Standards. in IBAN has a maximum of 34 alphanumeric characteristics and is a combination of the following elements: country key for the bank ISO code, 2-digit check number, country specific account number. In Germany, this consists of the bank number and account number. In France, the bank number and account number. Check entry. Usage: the IBAN not only makes international payment easier, in some countries is the advantages for domestic payments as well. Depending on the country, it can mean advantages for value and fees. Dependencies: the IBAN can be maintained in parallel with the bank details, but it does not replace them. It is stored under master data of the business partner and can then be used when creating the payment medium. Since it is only the bank that has the account that may guarantee the IBAN corresponding to an account number, the SAP system only generates a proposal. You can confirm or change this proposal. If no proposal is generated, enter IBAN manually. So the next field, bank account alias, specifies the alias of a business partner bank account. An alias is an alternative representation of a business partner bank account. Usage: the bank account alias is the primary or the secondary account. Identifications: that is registered in a certain payment system. It is a unique representation of a bank account or an e-wallet that does not identify the financial institutions where the account is held. So the next one, reference details. Additional details for the bank details of the business partner. In some countries, the data for the bank details of the business partner have to be supplemented by other details in order to be able to use certain payment process. This supplementary details are defined here. So like a bank number, bank account number, name of the account holder. In additional data is required for the bank details for payment transactions in your country. So the next one, bank details ID in external system. If the current bank details are known under a different ID in an external system, you can store this ID here. The ID in the external system simply provides information on the number under which the bank details were created in your legacy or operational system. Direct input gives you the option of maintaining the bank details of your business partner by specifying the external ID. If you maintain business partner data in your legacy system, you can copy changes made to bank details to the SAP system, even if the SAP ID is not recognized by the legacy system. So the next field, collection authorization, states that the bank has collection authorizations from the business partner for the account. Set this indicator if the bank has collection authorization. So note for account receivable, financial accounting account receivable, if this indicator is not set, there is no bank collection. Note for contract accounts receivable and payable, this indicator is not relevant. So the next field, account holder name. Here you can enter another name that the payment program can use if the name of the account holder is not the same as the name of the business partner. So here we need to mention the name of the bank account. So then valid start and valid to. Validity start of business partner bank details. Valid to date of business partner bank details. Then change on signifies the date on which a change from one set of bank details to another takes place. Usage: processes that access the ID of the source bank details are automatically forwarded to the ID of the target bank details. The validity of the source bank details is restricted to 1 day before the change date. Example, you have created bank details for your business partner for the XYZ bank from the date January 1, 2006. The business partner changes to be ABC Bank. You create additional bank details for the ABC Bank and create the change date from January 1, 2006. Processes that access the ID of the bank details for the XYZ bank are now automatically forwarded to the ID of the bank details for the ABC Bank. So the next field, target bank details. ID of target details for change of bank details in business partner. So the next one, name of financial institution. The name of the bank is comprised of the bank name and the name of the branch office.